What's up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again with another delicious recipe. So how about pork chop sandwich? Good old pork chop sandwich. Pork chop sandwich. There it is. Yeah. Now let's make it. Yeah. I got 2 center cut pork chops. They're kind of thick, so I'm gonna pound them out just a little bit. And you take the flat end. Same thing. Now it's time to season these boys up. Pork chops pounded out. So we're gonna hit it with some lawry seasoning salt. And remember, you guys, measurements and the ingredients are always in the description. Let's hit it with some onion powder. Hit it with some black pepper. I mean, very simple ingredients. Now let's season the other side. Same thing. But like I say, no worries. Measurements are in the description. Onion powder once more. A teaspoon of kosher salt, and I have a cup of flour in here. So we have a teaspoon of kosher salt, and we'll do about a half a teaspoon of our black pepper. There we go. About oil heating, and you want to get it to about 325 degrees. I know a lot of us, sometimes we have our problems with cooking our chicken and cooking our fried foods at too high of a temperature. So we're going to do 325 for our pork chops. All right, we have our pork chops seasoned. Yeah. So let's get it coated. Yeah. Shake the excess off. There we go. Boy, there's gonna be some delicious fried pork chop sandwiches. Look at that. Shake the excess off. There we go. Bam. Well, those are 2 delicious sandwiches. They just don't know it yet. All right, now our oil is hot at 325, where we need it to be. So let's go ahead and drop them beautiful chops in there. Yeah. We're gonna let them boys fry on up real pretty, for like 6 to 8 minutes on each side. All right, let's go ahead and give our pork chops a flip. Yeah. There we go. And golden brown, baby. Golden brown. Just like that, like that. Pork chops is pretty much done. Let's go ahead and turn our heat off. Let me let you see what these boys looking like. Right, for the real simple sauce, we just got Miracle Whip, and we got that good old Dijon mustard. So let's get us, I say about a tablespoon of Miracle Whip, half of a tablespoon of Dijon. Let's just give that a mix. And taste it for likeness. See if you want to add any more Dijon or any more Miracle Whip. But real quick, real simple, yet delicious sauce for our pork chop sandwich. All right, and before we build this sandwich, of course, I forgot to mention we have to toast our bread. We have to toast our bread. So we're getting our bread toasted off, just like that. All right, of course, we're building the sandwich. So let's go ahead and get our sauce. Let's get that down first. Bam. Let's do our lettuce. Gotta have some rough edges on there. So I'm just doing some shredded lettuce on this delicious pork chop sandwich. And we're gonna top that boy out just like that. All right, as you have seen, we have put our delicious pork chop sandwich together. We fried it perfectly, we battered it perfectly, and we just do it right over here. We just do it right over here. We have a delicious pork chop sandwich that we are all done with. So now, it's time to bite into it. Time to bite into it. Yeah. You know what? I got this pork chop sandwich for dinner. Out the place, out your face. Till next time, the boy done cook. I'm gone.